Lawrence Steve Muster Silva. Lawrence Steve Muster Silva, 20, from San Pedro, Laguna.
Ang daming taga San Pedro.
Yes, sir.
San Batch.
Sabay-sabay ba kayong dumating?
No.
Hindi naman.
20 years old. Have you been joining other pageants or competitions? Do you join other pageants?
Yes.
Anong mga titles mo na?
My previous idol is Ginong San Pedro 2022 second runner-up. And in our barangay, Barangay Larami, grand winner.
So what do you think is, what's that thing that you can offer to royalties? What's your advantage?
I think my advantage is my perseverance, consistency, and patience, because that is the three things that I think most important that we should have, especially going into competition. Because if we're able to have that, we can be able to achieve all things regardless of the things that people are saying or judging about our body or physical appearance that we have.
But considering this is gonna be, kumaga, we're gonna be focusing on social media and promoting royalties. What's your advantage when it comes to the actual promotion of royalties?
Actually, I'm taking now Bachelor of Arts in Communication, so we are on media, and I actually have my business, which is production, photo and film production. I actually own that, and that
What's that?
photo and film production.
Photo and film.
DV photo and film production. I am videographer and photographer for almost 3 years already, and I think I have the advantage because I have the knowledge in social media platforms.
So, what are your running numbers in social media?
I actually, in my page, which is DV Production, I have almost 2K, and my TikTok account, which is I have 10,000, but I got banned actually. In Facebook, I have